The more custom your service feels, the harder your business is to scale over time. That sounds backward, but it explains why talented freelancers stay busy, stressed, and strangely stuck even when demand keeps rising and calendars stay full for months. When a buyer cannot tell what happens next, how long it takes, or what success looks like, they delay the decision, sometimes for weeks. Unclear offers create friction. Product-based services remove that friction by making your work feel viable before the sales call even starts, with visible scope and milestones. If you keep selling one-off projects, every new client resets your operations from scratch. Sales takes longer, delivery gets messier, estimates get weaker, and profit hides behind busyness. You do more work, yet the business gains almost no learning advantage, even after 10 similar engagements. Productizing does not mean cheap or low-end. It means defined and easier to understand. You stop selling raw effort and start selling a named outcome through a repeatable method clients can compare, trust, and buy faster. A productized service is a service packaged like a product buyers can quickly understand. It has a clear promise, clear scope, fixed or structured pricing, a standard timeline, and a consistent process. The buyer knows what they are buying without decoding your entire workflow or sitting through a 40-minute explanation. The difference is not quality, skill, or strategic depth. The difference is variance. Custom work changes the process every time. Product-based work keeps the process stable and changes only within controlled boundaries, like agreed options, revision caps, or predefined client inputs. Buyers like clarity because clarity lowers perceived risk in practical, emotional ways. A package with a name, timeline, and expected result feels easier to approve than an open-ended proposal. You are not reducing trust. You are creating confidence through structure, especially for cautious teams and budget owners. A strong service business does not scale by working harder every quarter. It scales by reducing decision fatigue in sales and delivery, so clients and operators both move with less friction. Many freelancers begin with the menu, not the pain clients urgently want solved. They ask what they can offer instead of what problem appears often enough to standardize. That reversal matters, because repeatable pain is the raw material of a product-based service, not random personal preference. Look for 3 signals when reviewing your past projects and client wins. The same problem appears repeatedly. The same steps solve most of it. And the buyer can recognize the value quickly. If those 3 conditions exist, packaging becomes much easier, cheaper to test, and simpler to explain. Clients rarely want your task list or internal production steps. They want a business result. Not keyword research, but qualified traffic. Not design revisions, but a landing page that converts. Product-based services get stronger when the package is anchored to an outcome people already value and can measure.